When the bridge is balanced, we can interchange the position of galvanometer and battery. Many students fail to understand this concept, or we can say that they don't get a feeling like how we can interchange the position of battery and galvanometer. So at the end, many students cram this point. Let us try to calculate and understand why changing the position of battery and galvanometer does not make any difference once the bridge is balanced. To make the thing simpler, I have taken a balanced Wheatstone bridge. I have taken some values. This is 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 4 ohm, 8 ohm. Bridge is balanced. One must know this 12 volt battery is connected. Bridge is balanced means there is no deflection in this galvanometer, means we can say that potential at C is equal to potential at D. Let us by calculation prove this point, that in this example potential at C is equal to potential at D. So very simple. This is 12 volt battery. This is I1 current flowing. We know that when the bridge is balanced, we can remove this R. So if this is 12 volt, I can say this point A is also at 12 volt. This point B is at the 0 volt. So I can calculate I1 directly. I1 is, see in this R, potential difference is 12 minus 0, 12. Resistance is 6, so I1 is 12 by 6, 2 ampere. Similarly, I2 is 12 by 12, 1 ampere. So this current is 2 ampere, this current is 1 ampere, and this current is 2 ampere. This current is 2 ampere. Now if I simply calculate VA minus VC, it will be 2 into 2, 4 volt. If I calculate VA minus VD, it will be 1 into 4, 4 volt. So by subtracting these two, VA will cancel out, VC minus VD will become 0. So by simple calculation, we have proved that potential at C is equal to potential at D. Now we will interchange the position of battery and galvanometer in the same circuit without changing the value of resistance and battery, and see what happens. So students, I have interchanged the position of battery and galvanometer in the same circuit. See all the circuit remaining same, point A, point B, point C, point D, 2, 4, 4, 18. I have just interchanged. Now galvanometer is connected between A and B, battery is connected between C and D. We will assume that there is no current in galvanometer. We will assume first, and then we'll prove that VA is equal to VD. If VA equal to VD, then our assumption is correct. So let us calculate the voltage difference by the same method. This is 12 volt battery. If I calculate the current in this R, 4 plus 2, 6, 2 ampere, 1 ampere. You calculate VC minus VA, it is 2 into 2, 4. You calculate VC minus VB, it is 1 into 4. Subtract both, you will get VA minus VB equal to 0. So there is no effect on the balancing. No current will flow in the galvanometer in this condition also. So yes, we can interchange the position of battery and galvanometer once the bridge is balanced. Thank you very much.